How to fix Facebook has stopped. In today's video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to go to your settings of your phone, then open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and scroll down. Now click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now you have to go to your Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and after this guys, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.